Get exception description and stack trace which caused an exception, all as a string. I've seen a lot of posts about stack trace and exceptions in Python, but haven't found what I need. I have a chunk of Python 2.7 code that may raise an exception. I would like to catch it and assign to a string its full description and the stack trace that caused the error, simply all we use to see on the console. I need this string to print it to a text box in the GUI. Something like this. The problem is, what is the function complete underscore exception underscore description?
See the traceback module, specifically the format underscore XC function, here.
Let's create a decently complicated stack trace in order to demonstrate that we get the full stack trace. Logging the full stack trace. A best practice is to have a logger set up for your module. It will know the name of the module and be able to change levels, among other attributes such as handlers. And we can use this logger to get the error. Which logs? And so we get the same output as when we have an error. Getting just a string. If you really just want the string, use the traceback.format underscore exc function instead, demonstrating logging the string here. Which logs?
For Python 3.5+, use traceback.tracebackException. It can handle exceptions caught anywhere. Example. Output. It is identical to format underscore except and format underscore exception.
With Python 3, the following code will format an exception object exactly as would be obtained using traceback.format underscore except. The advantage being that only the exception object is needed, thanks to the recorded underscore traceback underscore attribute, and can therefore be more easily passed as an argument to another function for further processing.
You use sys.exe_info to collect the information and the functions in the traceback module to format it. Here are some examples for formatting it. The whole exception string is at.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.